Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace control arm on Audi TT, guys. Stay with us. We're gonna start on this one. As you know, more than 100 videos coming. This is one of the project vehicles we got. And we will need to remove and replace the control arm on that thing, so stay with us, guys. One thing you need to do, this is amazing stuff. That one, WD-40 rust penetrating oil, works amazing. So what we're going to do, just spray on all the bolts that we're going to remove. Okay, so that way everything will come out. It's the one with blue torch technology. You can find the links for Amazon on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle. So now we'll need 18mm, and we're going to remove the outer tie rod here. Oh, you can see all that rust. Look at that thing. And it came out no problem. Always use a jack stand, put the tire under the car safety first. So now, guys, never ever hit the bolt on top. Get a hammer and you need to hit on the cast iron here. If you hit it hard, you can see the penetrating oil did amazing stuff. We let it soak and it came out, and this outer tie rod is done. So we'll be replacing that one as well. Video is coming too. Okay, now we'll need to do the bottom one, right here. 18mm again, the same thing. And we'll just go ahead and take this one off now. And this one is really tight. Okay. Came loose. If you want to see any specific videos, let us know. We'll try to make it happen. The plan is, guys, to grow that channel crazy fast. We'll be putting even more videos in the future. Okay. So now on top of the bolt there is a slot, a place for Allen wrench, like that. Because sometimes those bolts will start spinning inside and you will not be able to take the nut off. So what you need to do, you need to grab it with a hex key on top and just prevent the bolt from spinning. Okay, this one is almost out of there now. Pretty big nut, huh? So now the same procedure. We need to hit there, guys. Okay, this one is loose, so we're going to get the pipe in the control arm. Okay, and we'll need to pull it out a little bit more. Okay, right there. It came out, we can let go now. We got the pipe stuck in there. Okay, perfect. Always be careful not to put any pressure on the brake lines, because that could damage them. Next, guys, right there, we're going to remove that bolt, okay, that holds the control arm towards the cross member piece. Okay, 18mm, got that one loose. Now we're gonna use the little impact. That thing is amazing. It saves us so much work. So quick. Okay, still stuck, so we'll just try to pry it out. Okay, so we'll just unscrew it like that all the way. Okay, and it will come out any minute. Almost out. It's pretty long bolt. Perfect. Now we have only one left. Okay, we're removing the last one now. We're holding on top with the wrench. On the bottom we're taking the bolt off. Okay, it's loose, but we need to unscrew it all the way again. Okay, perfect. And we have the nut on top actually right there. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to remove it. We'll check in a second. Okay, and I think we have everything out now. So we should be able to pull the control arm. Okay guys, so we're just going to pull right here now to the side. Okay, make sure that you don't pull the CV axle too much because it's going to come out of the transmission side. So I'll just keep it like that, and one person will start moving the control arm until it gets out of there. Okay, it's still stuck a little bit on this side there. Okay, perfect. It's out, as you can see. That's it guys, not very complicated. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.